when it comes to electrical, when it comes to electrical, as you know, there could be times when there's power on, could be times when there's no power. So normally I like to use my gloves because if I do happen to touch the wire, it doesn't do me anything. If it's live, it's not going to do me anything because I'm wearing gloves. Um, anything, um, anything that's 120 volts and less, you're allowed to carry out live activities on the circuit. Anything above 120 volts, you have to take the proper precaution. Also, all those who are checking into your light, you can light up the double tap to light up. It costs you nothing to light. Um, so you can double tap to light up the light. Um, so basically, what I'm doing here is I'm going to be installing this. Like I said, it's just a normal light. Um, of course, I'm not going to be using it when it comes to the finishing. So again, just for temporary purposes. So again, it's also temporary purposes that I'm using my lighting. Again, you can double tap. You can double tap to light up the life. Also, another thing I like to do is I like to just take my tester, make sure there's no power, and I carry out my work accordingly, according to the. So again, you can like up the life. I hope you guys are hearing me, and I hope I'm not talking to myself. I did a couple of days ago. Um, so again, this is just temporary lighting I'm doing. Obviously, these lights, I'm not going to be using them inside of the. I'm not going to be using them inside of the home. It's just for a temporary purpose. So again, the reason why I'm basically not using them is because it doesn't make sense for me to install the regular lighting right now, as the job is not is still in process, and they still have to paint and the whole 9 yards. So I don't see the need to install the regular lighting. So for that reason, I'm using